What's up, guys? It's me, Jimmy. Geek. I bought a quarter inch from stereo to mono dual quarter inch. This is from Hosa. I'm a big fan of Hosa. They really build quite good quality cables, to be honest with you. So, jump to the unboxing table. Yeah, I mean, jump to the unboxing table so I can do the unboxing. So here it is. Insert cable for quarter inch to dual TRS. I mean, if you need the extension with similar function, this is mono to stereo TRS, but this is extension. This one I can use directly. Okay, where I can open this bad baby. Okay, can you see from the back? Okay, let me open from here. Okay, like here, this one. It open. Okay, it's opening. I don't want to cut the cable, to be honest with you. That opening or not. Okay, I don't want to cut the cable. Wait, open or not. Okay. Okay, now better. Yeah, finally here we go. I didn't cut the cable. So yeah, here it is. Hosa built the best brand, to be honest with you. This is 1 millimeter. This is like super high quality. I think that's enough. This is super high quality. I mean, as you can see in the video, this is super high quality. It was me, G Magic. Subscribe and bye.